Hello, everybody. Welcome to day 28. Today's topic is about not allowing anything to get in your way or to sway you into having a drink after you've come this far. I'm telling you, nothing outside of yourself is worth it. Nothing, because you are worth it. Believe in yourself. Because once you believe in yourself, if I can do it, you can do it. And that's where believe in humans comes from. That we are so much powerful than we could ever imagine. And it's just not worth doubting yourself, or thinking that maybe, if you truly do have a problem, like I did, I couldn't have one sip. And I couldn't probably be around certain people, places, things that you might just decide, oh, I can have one sip. And I'll be honest with you, when it comes to NA products, non-alcoholic beers, wines, cordials, there's so many out there today. And I look at them and I think about it, but I remember like way back when I was trying to get sober. And I decided that I could buy like the fake wine in the grocery store, and that would satisfy, my habit or my desires, or that thing that would soothe me with a non-alcoholic beverage. I wasn't strong enough, and you know what? It tasted kind of crappy. Now, some today taste okay, I guess. This was a long time ago when I was like in my 20s, early 20s. But, so it has come a long way, but I will tell you that it's just that mindset of thinking that, that's replacing whatever's making you feel uncomfortable, or that dis-ease of you in your own body. And so when you go to have that, like, say, non-alcoholic glass of wine, you buy the bottle, you have that non-alcoholic, I guarantee you're going to drink that whole bottle in one seating. So it's also that act that you're used to. So you're not pattern interrupting when you're going to that old habit, that old routine. And so it's bringing you back into that subconscious mind and those feelings and those behaviors. So it's not really helping you in the long run until you fully are grounded. Like I could go to, an event and they might have a mocktail, and I can do that because I'm not relying on that at all, so for that, it just maybe is in a fancy cup and it tastes good. And so those are a couple things that I suggest moving forward as we start to roll into the last few days of the 30 days of being sober. So people, places, and things, don't think that you can do it, or don't put yourself in a position where you might be tempted. Be strong, have the belief and the hope, mostly the belief and the faith. I believe the belief and the faith are going to get you off and running, and you're going to keep just building time one day at a time. Thank you for your time and attention. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Namaste. Bye.